Identify patient using at least two identifiers according to agency policy. Review patient EHR to determine need to assess apical pulse. Determine previous pulse rate and measurement site when available from patient's record. Assess for factors that influence apical pulse rate and rhythm. Assess patient and family caregiver health literacy. Assess for presence of latex allergy. If patient have latex allergy, ensure that stethoscope is latex free. Perform hand hygiene. Assess for signs and symptoms of altered cardiac function. Determine if patient measured apical pulse rate at home. Assess patient's knowledge and skill level. Assess patient's knowledge and experience with apical pulse measurement and feelings about procedure. Determine expected outcomes following completion of procedure. Provide privacy and explain procedure. Help patient to supine or sitting position. Move aside bed linen and gown to expose sternum and left side of chest. Organize and set up equipment needed and perform stethoscope hygiene according to agency policy prior to procedure. Encourage patient to relax and not speak. Hello, sir. May I know your name?
Aiden Lordin,
May I know when is your birthday?
October 17.
So, aramidon tayo, sir, kat ag-perform na nga alaan di pulsong dito inti barokong mo. So nga mabalin, sir, nga igamak to dagit data barokong mo.
Okay.
Kano, sir, no aga aramidon ta di procedure kat mabalinahan ka agsasaw, sir. Tapos mawag ko nga nasaya in person.
Sige.
Okay, sir, thank you. Perform hand hygiene located to anatomic landmarks to identify point of maximal impulse. Place diaphragm of stethoscope in palm of hands for 5 to 10 seconds. Place diaphragm of stethoscope over PMI at 5th ICS at left MCL and auscultated for normal S1 and S2 heart sound. After hearing S1 and S2, with regularity use second hand of watch and began to count rate. When sweep, count rate when sweep hand, it hit number on dial started count with 0, then 1, 2, and so on. When apical rate was regular, count for 30 seconds and multiply by 2. Note regularity of any dysrhythmia. Replace patient's gown and patient bed linen and help patient to comfortable position. Discuss findings with patient and document according to agency policy. Dispose of all contaminated supplies in appropriate receptacle. Remove and dispose of gloves if worn. Perform hand hygiene. Raise side rails as appropriate and lower bed to lowest position, locking into position. Place nurse call system in accessible location with patient's reach. Clean earpiece and diaphragm of a stethoscope with alcohol swab routinely after each use. Perform hand hygiene. So, sir, igamakon di chest man ka tanggal ka di person. So, sir, 80% got 50. Apical pulse rate mo, sir, got 50. When assessing pulse for first time, establish apical rate as baseline when it was within an acceptable range. Compare apical rate and character with patient's previous baseline and acceptable range of HR for patient's age. Use teach back. Revise instruction if patient or caregiver is not able to teach back correctly. Document apical pulse rate and rhythm appropriately when apical pulse not found at 5th ICS and left MCL. Document location of PNI. Document measurement of apical pulse rate after administration of a specific therapies per agency policy. Document evaluation of patients and family caregiver learning. Report abnormal findings to nurse in charge or healthcare provider.